hiccups. I could have started this now and I got the freaking hiccups. Alright, here. This will be entertaining. Alright. So this is a short little video. As I got hiccups, I just want to jump on and address the topic of the video, which is literally stand up for yourself. Hiccups, because that's something that at least for me, is something really difficult to do. And I'm hiccups more recently learning that no, I gotta stand up for myself, because hiccups, too much stuff in the world is problematic, and hiccup, by not standing up for myself, I'm kind of spinning my wheels. So hiccup, this is all coming into light today because it took me months to stand up about a problem I'm having with Sapology. Look at this way, the products are great. Products are fine. It's the other stuff that's the issues. You know, problem with the upline and problem with corporate. And you know what? I'm being authentically me. So if anybody wants to know the story, I'm willing to tell you. But the point of the video is stand up for yourself, because that's what I'm doing right now. Because I should, and I need to. And it is something that, by doing that, with my experience, I feel more empowered to be me, more empowered to be more comfortable in my own skin, and to be able to talk about, hey, there is a bad experience, this is what happened. So, that's my message for all of you. Stand up for yourself. If there's somebody out there who's in your way of what you're trying to achieve, tell them. And tell above them. Because if they don't know, first of all, sometimes there is a positive to come out of it. In my situation, there isn't, but I'm still pursuing it. But, you know, it's sometimes the outcome can really surprise you. But by doing so, it's that self-empowerment to feel good about yourself and being able to say, hey, there is a problem here. That's my message. So, I wish you the best in where you're stuck. I hope you find what works for you, and I wish me the best with my struggles and hiccups. Alrighty. Stand up for yourself, because no one else is going to do it. And you learn something along the way. You learn to love yourself more. You learn to be more confident in yourself. And you learn to be real and authentic. Hiccups, hiccups. Bye, everybody. Bye for now.